Hi, this is Harshita Amman from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about normal distribution. Introduction to normal distribution. Normal distribution is also known as gaseous distribution in the continuous probability distribution that is widely used in statistics. It is the symmetric and bell shaped with the mean median mode, all the being equal. The area under the curve represent the probability, making it the valuable tool for analyzing and interpreting data. And this is the graphical representation of the normal distribution. Characteristics of normal distribution. The mean, median, and the mode are all at the center of the distribution, making it measure of central tendency. The shape of the curve is determined by the mean and the standard deviation. The total area under the curve is equal to 1. Z score and the standard deviation. Z score, also known as the standard score, measure how many standards deviation an observation or the data point is from the mean. Mean Z score help us comparing the different values within the same distribution. Standard deviation measures the spread of the variability of the data with higher value indicating the greatest depression, and this is the graphical representation of z score for the normal distribution. Empirical rule. The empirical rule, also known as the rule 68 to 95 to 99.7 rule, provides a quick estimation of the spread of the data in a normal distribution. Approximately 68% of data falls within one standard deviation of all the mean. Approximately 95% of the data falls within two standard deviation of them, and this is the graphical representation of the 68 to 95 to 99.7 rule. In this formula distribution, 68% of the individual falls within 10 of 10. 68% of individual falls within 20. 99.7 falls individuals within the 30. Probability density function, which is known as pdf. The probability density function pdf is the mathematical expression that describes the shape of the normal distribution. The pdf is represented by the equation f of x is equals to 1 divided by pi of root 2 pi is continuous probability distribution. The random variable x can assume infinitely many real values. Probability density function formula is f of x is equals to d f of x divided by d of dx, and the this is the graphical representation which is given for the continuous probability distribution. Standard normal distribution. A standard normal distribution has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. It serves as a reference distribution, allowing us to convert many normal distribution into the normal distribution. Using Z score, the standard normal distribution is commonly used in hypothesis testing and calculating the probabilities. And here is the graphical representation of standard normal distribution. General limit theorem. Central limit theorem. The central limit theorem states that the distribution of the sample mean or the sum of the large number of independent and the identical distribution random variable will be approximately normally distributed. This theorem allows us to make inference about the population based on a sample. It is the fundamental concept in the statistical interference and the hypothesis testing. And here is the graphical representation of central limit theorem. Applications of normal distribution. Normal distribution is widely used in various fields, including finance, physics, physiologics, and the equality control. It is utilized in the hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and the estimating population parameters. It is also used in modeling natural phenomena and analyzing data in the social science. Normal distribution is widely used in various fields including the finance, physics, physiological, and the equality control. It is utilized in the hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and the estimating population parameters. It is also used in modeling natural phenomena and analyze the data in social science. Limits of normal distribution. Normal distribution assumes that the data is symmetrically distributed, which may not always be the case in the real world scenario. It may not accurately represent the extreme events or the outliers, as it assumes a finite mean and the standard deviation. Other distributions such as t distribution or chi-square distribution are used for the specific case where the normal distribution assumption are not met, and this is the graphical representation of the standard normal distribution where it is having the limits of the normal distribution. Conclusion of normal distribution. Conclusion is the fundamental concept in the statistics, providing a powerful tool for analyzing and the interpreting data. Its symmetric and a bell-shaped curve allow us to access easy understanding and the calculation of the probabilities. Understanding the characteristics and the applications of the normal distribution is essential for the statistical analyzing. And here is the graphical representation of shape of the normal distribution. Thank you.